y'all, what is up? Welcome back. It is me, Rachel. So in today's video, I'm going to be doing a hot oil treatment on my locks. So before we get into the video, make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel, and if you like the video, make sure you like, comment, and share with everybody you know. So this is the very first time that I have done a hot oil treatment on my hair, and I'm super excited because I am long overdue for a wash. I was doing a lot of research on YouTube because I haven't done it before, so I didn't know how to do it. So I've seen a lot of different methods, and I think that I'm going to start by washing my hair, condition my hair like usual, then do my hot oil treatment. But I do not want to wash it out because my hair eats up oil so quick and so fast, and it needs all the oil it can get, honestly. So I'm going to try not to go overboard. Let me show y'all the oils I'm going to use. So I'm going to use a regular extra virgin olive oil, my almond oil, and then I'm going to put a little bit of lavender essential oil in it to make it smell good. And I got this applicator bottle from the beauty supply store this weekend. I'm going to sit that in some hot water to get it all warm. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So I start by filling up my kettle with a good amount of water, and while I bring that to a boil, I take my applicator bottle and add some extra virgin olive oil, and I fill it up to about the first line. You can't see the line in this video, but then I go ahead and add some almond oil to the bottle. I really needed a funnel because I was spilling the oil everywhere and I kind of sort of made a mess. Then I'm just gonna add a few drops of the lavender essential oil to give it a good lavender and soothing smell. I give it a good shake. Then I pour the hot water into a bowl, or just a regular bowl I had in my kitchen, and I kind of wish that I had poured the water in after I had the applicator bottle in the bowl, because it kind of flipped like that and it wasn't sitting upright, but it's okay because the oil still was able to get hot. Hey y'all, so I just finished washing my hair. I have my oil sitting in this pot of hot water, and it's been cooling for a little minute because I put the oil in the water before I rinsed out my conditioner. So it's hot but not scorching hot. This is what it looks like. I put a lot of oil in because I mean, it doesn't hurt. Like, I'll always be able to keep this oil and just like use it on a regular day or use it for another hot oil treatment. Let me go ahead and take my hair down, and let me show you guys what I shampooed and conditioned with. So I tried something new today. I tried the Maui Moisture Care Heal and Hydrate Shea Butter shampoo and conditioner for dry damaged hair, and I really enjoyed it. I think it did a really good job. My hair feels really soft right now, and it smells really good. I think Maui started getting more popular after I started my lock journey, so I never really like got on the wave, but I know that these bottles kind of remind me of the Cream of Nature honey line. Their bottles are shaped like this too, and I just love the look of it. So I want to dry my hair just a tad bit so it's damp. I don't want it soaking wet and then put the oil on, because then it'll never ever dry. So now the oil is nice and warm. So like I said, I've never done this before, so I assume that I'm just gonna go and oil my scalp, oil my hair like I usually would, but kind of use a more generous amount. So let me test my hand to see if that temperature is good. And it's good. It seems like the water that I'm putting it in is like really hot, and so I would assume that the oil was like that hot, but it's just warm. But it feels good on my scalp. Feeling very, very good. I just want to take a minute for y'all to look at my new growth. This new growth is hella. This is hella. I thought I wasn't gonna retwist today. I thought I was gonna be able to do something and make something shake without a retwist, but no. All right, so I think I'm done now. I went throughout my entire head, just kind of like rubbed everything in, and this is how much oil I have left. So I used the majority of it. I'm going to cover it with this trash bag and then kind of heat it up using my blow dryer. I think I'm gonna blow dry for about 10 minutes just to get it hot under here. Hey y'all, so I blow dried for like 15 minutes and I technically could let this sit on my head for a little while longer, but I was ready to take it off. My locks are feeling really warm and really soft, so I like that. This is technically a deep condition in a sense, right? The oils I showed you all, I use olive, almond, and lavender essential oils for smell, and you can use any oil that you would like. I just use those because those are what I had laying around the house. I didn't want to go buy any more oil. This was cool. I'll definitely be doing it again. I honestly could do it every time I wash my hair, and I like how it makes my locks feel, actually like taking the time to let it sit and to get some heat on it. And I mean, why not? So let me know in the comment section down below if you have done a hot oil treatment before, if you're planning to do one in the future. Let me know. So I'm gonna go ahead and close this video out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you all in the next video.